equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your Asus FX607JV and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back panel. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling performance. Now, let's focus on the LCD cover. To replace it, you will need to disconnect the display cable. Locate the cable connector and gently lift it from its socket using your tweezers. Once disconnected, you can remove the old LCD cover by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Remember to keep track of these screws, as they will be needed for the new cover. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the old cover is removed, take your new LCD cover and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place by screwing it back in with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the display cable by carefully inserting it back into its socket. Ensure it is firmly in place to avoid any display issues later on. Next, we will replace the keyboard. Start by locating the keyboard screws, which are usually found on the underside of the laptop. Remove these screws and gently lift the keyboard from its position. Be careful with the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. You will need to disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism. If you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before proceeding. Once the old keyboard is removed, take your new original keyboard and connect the ribbon cable. Make sure it is securely attached before placing the keyboard back into its slot. Screw it down using the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reattach the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws around the edges to secure it. Before you power on your laptop, double-check that all connections are secure and that no screws are left over. If everything looks good, power on your Asus FX607JV and enjoy your newly replaced LCD cover and keyboard. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed of the costs involved. This way, you can make the best decision for your laptop's maintenance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.